Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your computer name in Windows 10. Renaming your Windows 10 PC helps personalize your device, making it easier to identify on a network and manage multiple computers. So let's start the video. To change PC name in Windows 10, click on the Start menu and then click on Settings icon. In the Settings window, click on System. Now click on About in the left sidebar. Look for the device specification section. Here you will see the current device name. This is the current device name. To change it, click on the Rename this PC button. So click on it. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a new name for your PC and click on Next button. Select Restart Now or Restart Later for the changes to take effect. So that's how to change computer name in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.